students, I Kamlesh Kumar. Welcome to all of you at my YouTube channel Social Science Academy. We have started the chapter the Union Government, the Legislature, in which we have watched two videos in which we have talked about the basics of the Union Government. Now let us see the topic the Union Legislature. The long struggle for freedom transformed into a mass movement and ultimately succeeded in ushering freedom and self-rule. It was a dream come true for the people of India who aspired for a democratic self-government. Means we were in the hands of Britishers for a long period of time. We struggled long. We collectively, our freedom fighters collectively struggled with them to attain freedom and to have self-government or a democratic government. So the Constitution of India laid down the principle of universal adult franchises, according to which all citizens who are 18 or more than 18 years of age have right to vote. So the Constitution of India has made provision for universal adult franchising. This universal means which is applicable to anything which is applicable to all. Adult means after certain age, in India it is 18, the people becomes adult, and in franchise means the right to vote. So this right to vote is applicable to all those people who are 18 and 18 above. They have right to vote given by the Constitution. This right gives the people an opportunity to actively participate in the political process of the country. They elect their representative with who constitute the parliament that controls and guides the union government. People express their trust in the functioning of our democratic setup. So by enjoying this universal adult franchising or right to vote, we the people of India elect our representative for national level. At national level means for the parliament, we elect our representative. They go there and they on our behalf as our representative they work in parliament to make laws for the country. So the parliament is a legislative organ of the union government. Means legislative organ means the organ which have been given the task to make laws. It consists of the President of India and two houses. So legislative organ consists of the two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and the President of India. The House of the People is known as the Lok Sabha and it is called the lower house. Its members are directly elected by the people. So there are two houses. It is bicameral house, the Union Parliament. Two houses, upper house, lower house. Lower house is also called Lok Sabha, and in that house every member of the parliament or every member of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of India. The second house is the Council of State, known as the Rajya Sabha or the upper house. Means second state is second house is Rajya Sabha, that is also called upper house. Its members are indirectly elected. The President of India is not a member of any of the two houses, but he or she is the integral part of the parliament. So in the Rajya Sabha, all the members are indirectly elected. Means we do not cast our vote to elect the members of the Rajya Sabha. Our representatives elected representatives cast their votes to elect the members of the Rajya Sabha. And President of India is not the member of parliament. Means we have not elected him. he or she has been elected by the our elected representatives, and he or she is the integral part of parliament. Means the composition of parliament is the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the office of the president. Together, all these three constitute the parliament. No bill can become a law without his or her approval. Means after passing the bill from both the houses, that is from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it is sent to the president, and after the consent of the president, the bill becomes an act or law. So to ensure the principles of federalism, Lok Sabha represents the people of India and the Rajya Sabha represents the states of India. Means there are division of powers. In federalism, what we see, there will be different levels of government, and there will be clear division of power. So both these houses have been clearly defined their power. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we will deal with the next topic of the same chapter. Till then, keep watching. If you are liking my video, please like it and press on like button and subscribe my channel so that you will get earliest notification of the video. Till then, keep watching. Thanks. Have a nice day.